It's that time of the year again, and we're going to be participating in the Heat Transfer Warehouse Garment Decoration Challenge. I don't know if you can tell by the colors that I'm holding, but this year's theme is winter. They sent me over a bunch of different colors to use for this, and the ones that I decided to use are going to be the Wallet Puff White, Caesar Easy Weed Metal Silver Blue, Caesar Easy Weed Electric Mermaid, which this one as well, I really like this color. I don't know what it is about these types of blues, kind of like the aquaish blue. I just love the color. And Caesar Easy Reflective. Now my SVG is already ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all the vinyl, and we're gonna be pressing those colors on a District Perfect Tri-Fleece. I think all of these colors are gonna go great together, especially with the color of the garment itself. And I do have a quick note about this hoodie itself. It's super soft. It's really nice. I feel like my wife is gonna take it from me. Without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy in the heat press, throw these colors into the cutter, and let's start crafting. So I ended up adding a few rhinestones here at the top of the Christmas trees. It's the first time I ever used them, and I think they actually come out pretty good. They're definitely not falling off, so that's good. There we have it. This is my entry into the Heat Transfer Warehouse Garment Decoration Challenge. Got the reflective, electric, and puff vinyl, as well as a couple little rhinestones on top of the Christmas trees. Huge thank you to Heat Transfer Warehouse for sending over these materials. If you want to check out any of the other entries that are going to be entering into the contest, make sure to check out the Heat Transfer Warehouse Instagram page. There they're going to post all the entries, and everyone's going to get a chance to vote on their favorite. If you like this video and you found it entertaining, please make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.